Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody? I hope all is well. Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. Thank you for checking out my video. Before we get started, do me a favor, go ahead and click that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. All right, let's get into it. Today I am back with Matrix Pro leads. These are buyer leads. You saw me talk about me joining the program a few days ago. Now I'm back. My leads are here, so I want to show you that. This is what they come in, a little packet like this. Okay. And it says across the top here, Matrix Pro leads. Okay. So I want to show you the process in which, this whole thing got started. So you'll know the flow of everything. Okay. So I haven't even opened the seal yet. Okay, because I'm actually going to use these on my Textbot postcards. Okay, you can get in this program, mail these postcards, $150 to get started, making $100 commissions, mailing my personalized postcards. Okay, so I'm going to use these leads for this. So how did this get started? Okay, I want to show you the flow of things. So I'm going to go to my email so I can show you what happens here with this. Hang on a second. Okay, I'm really impressed with the professionalism and the fast response that they have. Okay, now I actually signed up on a Saturday, a weekend, and the office is closed Saturdays and Sundays. However, that's okay. Monday morning, right here, as you can see, look at the flow of my email. I signed up on the 1st because it says welcome to Matrix Pro Leads Affiliate Program. On the 3rd, look to the right. On the 3rd, which is right here, your Matrix Pro Leads order has been processed. They emailed them to me. Now, mind you, I ordered the direct mail leads. You can see I have 2 orders here. Okay, so not only will they mail you your leads, but you also receive them in your email, your direct mail leads. Okay, here it is right here. See the CSV file? And then there's also a few other documents I'm going to show you that they email me as well. And of course, this other order here is an order where I place to receive mobile leads. Okay, they're actually numbers you can call, or these are numbers you can text to. So, but the ones we're talking about right now are the direct mail leads. So you will receive them in your email. Okay, so that's a fast response. Saturday, I placed the order. Monday, they immediately sent me an email telling me that they've placed the order. They've emailed me the leads. Then they also sent me, right here, as you can see, a notification, a tracking number so that I can track those leads. Okay. And then when they arrived, they sent me another email to say that they were delivered. Okay. So this company is on the ball. Okay. So they are serious about getting you your order as soon as possible. I'm impressed. Okay, right here it says a package was delivered. So it notified me, even though they sent me a tracking number, but they also sent me another email just to say your package was delivered. So you definitely going to love the professionalism of service that you get here, and the speediness of getting your product, which is your leads, to you right away. That's very important, and you can track it, because you're going to get email notifications. Okay, so that's awesome. So in that email also includes your leads. It also includes right here the Matrix Comp Plan and a flyer. Okay, for you. I'm going to show you my flyer. You get a flyer, then you also get what they call the Art of Calling Leads. It's a document, and then a PDF. Then you also get the ultimate memory jogger. So they send you some little tips in here on how to call the leads, and then a memory jogger. Okay, so all that's in an email. So you will definitely be notified on the process flow of everything as these leads are coming in the mail. Okay, so now that your leads are emailed to you, think about this: you can mail to those folks over and over and over. Okay, so that's pretty cool. And I want to make a correction. I think I put it in my description of the last one. The direct mail leads, okay, on the peel and stick labels, they do not come with the phone numbers. Okay, the only ones that come with phone numbers are your email leads and your texting leads. They come with the address and phone number. So you can literally order texting leads and email leads, and they provide you with the address for these folks. So these are still targeted people. Okay, but the direct mail leads do not come with the phone number, only the address. Okay, so let's talk about I've got some sign-ups or sales, if you will, as well, because the product is leads, guys. Everybody needs leads, whether you're going to be the person, the type of network marketer or internet marketer that's going to call your folks, you're going to text them, or you're going to mail postcards. Okay, but you need leads. So we have different forms of leads. So everybody needs this and everybody can use it. But the great thing about it now is that you can refer your team. Whenever someone joins you in your program, whatever it is, you can refer them to your link for Matrix Pro Leads so they can order leads to get their business started. That's the biggest thing that people face, the biggest challenge. They don't have anyone to present their program to, okay, outside of their warm market. So now you have a place to send them, and they can do the same, and you can make a commission, okay, because you're referring your people. Now, if you have some resources to different companies, but most of those companies don't pay you an affiliate commission, okay, whereas Matrix Pro does. So let's take a look at that. I've got some sales that have come in. So let's go back to my email again. As you can see right here, I'm going to show you my flyer too. A new team member joined. You have a customer. Okay. You have a customer. Congratulations, a new team member. So you'll be notified when people sign up with you. Okay. Right here is another customer. Then here's a payment that came through from them. Okay. For the week. Okay. So a great program to promote because you need leads anyway. Okay, this is not like this is something you don't need. You need leads for your business. Okay, so let's take a look at my back office and see what we've got. All right, so that's the other good thing. You have a back office, a dashboard, so you can track all your leads. So not only are you receiving an email from the company, a notification, but you can go in your back office from any smart device and take a look at what's going on. Now, so $109.90 in sales, and then my team. Okay, that's why it's great to be a business builder versus just being an affiliate. The business builder is the option for you to pay $30 a month, and they send you 100 leads on autopilot, and you're paid up to 10 levels. Whereas if you just become an affiliate and pay $4.95 a month, you get paid 33% on just that first level. First order, just that first order, whereas I'll be able to get paid 10 levels down. So that's what these team sales are, where I've signed up a couple affiliates and then some customers. So whatever they do, I'm getting paid on. Okay, very powerful, guys. Very, very, very powerful. Now, the last thing I want to show you, go to my link below, www.buyerleads.info. Watch this presentation. It will explain it. This is what I saw. No one explained this to me. I actually was interested. I watched this video presentation. If you're interested in this funnel, that's that website you need to go to, buyerleads.info. This will explain it. I watched this, and from this, just watching this presentation, that's what made me sign up. The inviter will tell you, I didn't even contact this person and ask them a question. I watched this and I joined. Okay. This will do the selling and telling for you. So if you're interested in getting this, just go to www.buyerleads.info. Get a page like mine. Okay. If you look here, it has the comp plan. It explains, it does all the selling and telling for you. Right here it says, get a site like mine. Click that and get this for $19.95 a month. Okay, get this $19.95 a month. Okay, it's very well worth it. And then once you get 3 people that pay the $19.95 a month, the company gives you a month free. Okay, so with that being said, get your leads, guys. You need leads. especially if you're in direct mail. You definitely need leads to mail to. But just being a affiliate marketer, network marketer, internet marketer, you need leads anyway. So you might as well get something in which you can share with your team. They can share with others. Everybody can get paid for referring people to a lead source. Because basically that's what this is. You become a lead affiliate. Okay? So everybody wins. Now, again, back to, I'm using these for Textbot. Okay, my system, the Textbot system. Go check it out. Call my number 845-253-6408 and get in for $150. Get my postcard. Start mailing this out. You got the lead source now. Just start mailing, guys. Okay? If you have any questions, give me a call, but go check this presentation out. It will explain it. Okay? Jot down your questions after you watch this. Let's talk. Let's get you started getting your leads, and let's get your postcards out there and start mailing them to these buyers leads. That's the other difference. These are buyers leads. These are seekers. So these are people that have actually already spent money at some point in time in a home-based business. Okay? So click that link below. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. And until next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. You guys have a blessed day.